Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue our simulation and testing with Simatic MicroWin version 4 CV page 9 and WinCC SMART version 3 that connect with PLC S7-200 wiring with the Pt-100 and control valve. Okay, and this is the part 2. In the part 1 we already learned about how to wiring and create the scaling for analog input and output that already connected and simulation between our Pt-100 and control valve. Okay, so in this part 2 I will show to everyone about how to edit the Simatic WinCC Flexible Smart version 3 connect to the HMI that will show the actual value of temperature and the set point to the control valve. Okay, so for wiring the connection we already learned in the previous video, so in this video I'm no need to show again. Yes, so let's go to our existing project of Simatic MicroWin and create a new project for WinCC Flexible Smart to download to the HMI. Okay, so let's go. So first I will open the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. Yes, so open, and here is the existing block that we already tested in the previous video. So let me compile and then download to the PLC again. Yeah, so first check the communication between our PC to the PLC. Okay, right now it found one CPU 226. Yes, address 2, and this is a baud rate for communication, and then press OK, and then go to the button download. Yes, or we can go here and then click compile. Yes, to check our project has error or not. Yes, and then go to button download. Yes, okay, and then click download to stop the CPU and then download our program to the PLC. Yes, stop. Okay, and then run the CPU again, and we can online to check for monitor. Yes, so right now the temperature show around 22 or 23 degrees Celsius, and for the set point to control valve it is 0. It means that 0 milliamp or 4 milliamp. And for the feedback right now 49%, because I already select the standard source to 12 milliamp. Yes, so the concept is we need to show the actual temperature, and we can set point the control valve by manually, and also show the PV. It means that process variable of the damper. Yes, of the control valve. So to create the screen, let's go to the software WinCC SMART version 3. Yes. Okay, right now I will use this software to create the screen for HMI. Yes. So first open the software. Yes. And then create a new project. This is a Chinese version. Yes, because this HMI is only support for Chinese version. Yes. So first create the empty project. Yes. And then choose the model number of HMI. So right now the HMI is SMART 1000. Yes. It has a lot of model that we can choose to match with our project. Because we must choose the correct model number to match with the hardware of HMI, yeah, or touchscreen. So right now my HMI is SMART 700 IE V3. Yes. So let's click here. Yes. And first we need to set the computer IP address to match with the HMI. So right now my HMI is IP address HMI IP address 192.168.2.2. Yes. So we need to change the computer IP address to match with the HMI address. Okay. So let's go to check and set the new IP address. So let's go to IP4 and then check. Here is the rank. Yes, the same as the HMI. Yes. Sorry, .2.3. And we must set the PC IP address 192.168.2. something but not .3. Okay. Example .2.4. Yes. So we can ping to check to confirm. Yeah. So ping 192.168.2.3. Yes. It shows like this. It means that we can communication between our PC to the HMI by LAN cable, because right now I already connected the LAN cable from my PC to the PLC, sorry, to the HMI. Okay. So it's very important. Otherwise, we cannot download the project to the HMI if we set the wrong IP address rank. Okay. So the next step, we need to create the connection, right? Click here for connection. Double click here. Example HMI1 and connect to the S7-200. Yes. The command example connect to PLC S7-200 CPU 226. Okay. And here is the connection that we will choose. For right now, we can choose Ethernet or COM port. Yes. and we must show here is the PPI or DP, yes, that we use. So right now I will use PPI, yes, and baud rate around 9600, yes, and here is the address of PLC 2, yes. So that's all for communication setting between HMI and PLC. Okay, so we must follow like this, otherwise we cannot control through the HMI. Yes. So in the next step, we need to create the text, right? So click here for create the text. So let's go to the text number 1. Text number 1 is show the value, actual value of temperature, right? So MD4, it is the real, yes. So we can type Pt-100 actual, and it is the real, right? So choose the real for the data type and start from MD2, yes, sorry, MD4. Okay, and the second one is the set point of the analog output, right, to control the actuator. So MD12, yes. So let's go to text here, control valve, set. Okay, it is the real also, MD12. And one more for feedback, right? Feedback from the actuator or control valve. So MD12, sorry, MD20. Okay, MD20. So control valve, feedback. Okay, MD20. Okay, so that's all for our text that need to show or control from the HMI to the PLC. So let's go to screen and then create the text or control to the PLC. Yes, I can use the show temperature. Okay, actual temperature here, so I need to use the IO. Yes, and then go to property and then go to the text. Yes, so first Pt-100 actual, yes, and it is the real, so it show around 999.99, yes, and go to property to change the color, the field color, and this is the text color. Yes, and we need to change to be center and mode middle, yeah, and change the text size to this one. Actually we can use the one for decimal, yes. So here is the actual temperature. Yes. So I will click here. Yes. It error a little bit, but we can use it. So we can use it. So I will rename this one to the actual temperature. And this one should be the title. Yes. So test temperature Pt-100 with and control valve with PLC S7-200. Okay. And we need to change the color a little bit to be good. Go to color. Example this color or yellow color. Yes. For text display, we can choose another color that we want. Example this color. Yes. And for the font size, we can adjust for text. Example 22. Yes. Maybe 20 is okay. Okay. This one I will change to the white color. Yes, like this. So actual temperature and the unit should be this one and this one. This one should be small a little bit. Yes. And the next step, we need to create the set point for control valve, right? So we can type set point for set point, or we can type SP control valve. Okay. So we can copy. Basically, we can copy, drag and drop by pressing the Control and Shift on keyboard. So the unit is percent, right? 0 to 100%. So we can type percent. And it is the set point action. So go here and then go to the here. It is the output, right? Sorry, it is the input. And this is the output. Okay. And for the text, we need to choose the control valve set point. Yes, here. Okay. And for the last one, we need to create the process variable from the control valve. So feedback FB, yes, FB from control valve, and we can press shift and control, drag and drop to copy, yes. And the unit is person also, yes. And it is the output, yes. And for the text, we need to use the feedback, yeah, this one. Okay, that's all. So we can align to be good looking like this. Okay, and we can download, yeah, by press here, because we need to download to the HMI, right? So press here, and we need to write the IP address of the HMI, yes, here. So 192.168.2.3, right? It is the IP address of HMI, yeah, here. And we no need to tick here, yes. So uncheck. And then press here to download the project to the HMI. But before download, we need to turn off the power, yes. So I will turn off the power and then turn on again. Yes, turn on again. And don't forget, please transfer. Yes. Here, please here. Transfer. And then we can transfer again from our PC to the HMI. So press here and press here. Let's see, the project is transferred from PC to the HMI. But the title is so long, so it's not so. I will correct it. So wait a moment. Maybe I will adjust the size to be 19. Yes, and adjust the align again, and then download again. Yes, but before download, we need to turn off power and turn on again. So turn off power, the HMI, and then turn on again. Yes, turn on again. And don't forget, freeze the transfer again. Yes, transfer. And let's go to the PC and then freeze download again. Please here. And project is transferring finished. Yes. So right now it show the title. Yes. So right now the actual temperature around 24, right? So let me show on the HMI. Yes. Okay, HMI show around 24 degrees Celsius, and for control valve set point 0, and the feedback is 25. So because I adjust the milliamp to if I adjust to 0, it will show 0 something. Yes, here. So if I adjust the set point, the temperature, yeah, right now is 0 milliamp. So if I set example 25%, yeah, let's see the milliamp of analog output is so also 5 milliamp, and the feedback here we adjust the feedback. Yes, example 50%. Yes, feedback also 50. Yes, 100%. Yes, and the HMI will show 100% also. Okay, 20 milliamp. So this is an instruction how to connect the PLC S7-200 with HMI and connect to PLC S7-200 CPU 226. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I have mistake in this video also. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.